provided by yours Dr. N.A. Muhammad Farooq. Antibiotics. First, let us see the definitions, introduction, classification, biological action, and the compound antibiotic penicillin. First, let us see what are antibiotics. Antibiotics, the word derived from a Greek word. Anti means against, bios is life. So antibiotic is a word derived from Greek word. The first antibiotic was discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1928. This discovery was a significant breakthrough in medical science. A drug used to treat bacterial infection. Antibiotics have no effect on viral infection. Originally, an antibiotic was a substance produced by one microorganism that selectively inhibits the growth of another. Antibiotics are chemicals produced or derived from microorganisms. Antibiotics are used to treat a variety of antibacterial infections. Antibiotics cure infectious diseases by killing or slow down the growth of bacteria. Now, introduction. In 1928, Alexander Fleming accidentally discovered penicillin. Upon returning from a holiday, he noticed that a fungus Penicillium notatum had contaminated a culture plate of Staphylococcus bacteria. He had accidentally left uncovered. The fungus had created bacteria free zone wherever it grew on the plate. The fungus had created bacteria free zone wherever it grew on the plate. Flore and Chain managed efficiently purified the antibiotic and scale up production. The introduction of penicillin marked the beginning of so-called golden era of antibiotic. Source of antibiotic: natural source, semi-synthetic source, synthetic source. Natural source, mainly fungal sources. Example: benzyl penicillin and gentamicin. Then semi-synthetic source, chemically altered natural compounds. Example: ampicillin and amic acid. Synthetic source, chemically designed in the lab. Example: moxifloxacin and norfloxacin. The best natural antibiotics are the ginger, garlic, and onion. These are the best natural antibiotics. Then classification of antibiotics. Antibiotics are usually classified on their structure, function, and or spectrum of activity. First, structure, that is molecular structure. On the basis of structure, the antibiotics are classified. The structure basis, the beta-lactam ring is the main structure of antibiotic. Example: aminoglycoside. This aminoglycoside vary only by side chains attached to the basic structure. Effect of their activity: bactericidal, bacteriostatic. Bactericidal and bacteriostatic. Bactericidal means it kills bacteria. Example: aminoglycoside, penicillin, cephalosporin. Bacteriostatic, it inhibits the growth of bacteria. Example: sulfonamide, tetracycline, chloramphenicol. Range of activity, spectrum of activity. There are two range of activity, two spectrum of activities. One is narrow spectrum antibiotics, broad spectrum antibiotics. The narrow spectrum antibiotics that targets specific types of gram positive or gram negative bacteria. They target specific Types of gram-positive or gram-negative bacteria. Example, macrolides, polymyx. Broad-spectrum antibiotic. This broad-spectrum antibiotic active against gram-positive and gram-negative. So, it is broadly active against gram-positive bacteria and gram-negative bacteria. But in this case, specific type of gram-positive, gram-negative. But it is generally gram-positive, all the gram-positive and all the gram-negative bacteria active against. It is usually used where the specific type of microorganism is unknown. Examples, chloramphenicol and tetracycline. Origin. The antibiotics are classified on the basis of origin also. One is bacterial origin, second is fungal origin, third is Actinomyces. Bacterial origin, Colistin, Astrionum, Faecetracea. Fungal origin, Penicillin, Cephalosporin. Actinomyces, aminoglycosides, tetracycline, chloramphenicol. Mechanism of action of antibiotics. Mode of action of antibiotic. These antibiotics plays an important role. The mechanism on the basis of inhibition of protein synthesis, inhibition of nucleic acid synthesis, inhibition of cell wall synthesis, disruption of cell membrane function, block pathways and inhibit metabolism. These are the 5 mode of actions of antibiotic in the biological system. The antibiotic act on the biological system. First type is inhibition of protein synthesis. It inhibits the protein synthesis. Example, ribosome. It inhibits the nucleic acid synthesis. It inhibits the DNA synthesis. It inhibits the cell wall synthesis. It inhibits the metabolism and disruption of cell membrane function. All 3 functions are taken by the antibiotics. Structure of penicillin. Chemical structure. This is a chemical structure of penicillin. In this structure you can see beta-lactam ring, diacylidine ring and acid structure. This is the general structure of penicillin. Penicillin are a group of beta-lactam antibiotics consisting of natural penicillins and semi-synthetic penicillins. The basic structure of all penicillins, natural and semi-synthetic, is 6-amino penicillinic acid. 6-amino penicillinic acid composed of a 4-membered heterocyclic beta-lactam ring fused with a 5-membered methyl penicillin, penicillin 5 phenoxymethyl penicillin diacylidine ring as shown in the figure. Okay. The basic structure combines with N-acyl group, which is variable and shows structural differences in different types of penicillin. The N-acyl group is the side chain attached to the amino group of 6-amino penicillinic acid. However, there are 3 natural penicillins that are produced directly and can be obtained from the fermentation liquors of penicillium. These are penicillin G and penicillin F, that is fentanyl penicillin. Natural penicillins are obtained as a salt of sodium or salt of potassium or procaine. The structure of natural penicillins are as sodium salts. The natural penicillins have been structurally modified in the laboratory to enhance their efficacy. These are said to be semi-synthetic and were developed to add mainly 3 properties lacking in penicillin G. Properties of antibiotics. Antibiotics, the properties can be studied by using The different substitution of acyl groups. Semi-synthetic penicillin. In this semi-synthetic penicillin, we have methicillin, ampicillin, carbapenicillin, oxacillin, ticarcillin. These are the 5 semi-synthetic penicillin. In this semi-synthetic penicillin, the acyl groups are different. For this acyl group, this methicillin have this property, that is, this type of antibiotics are taken orally. The properties are as stable, beta lactamase, it resistance less active than penicillin G. This ampicillin is taken, the properties are, these ampicillins are active against gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. This is as stable, beta lactamase. Resistance are credited to be first broad spectrum semi-synthetic penicillin taken orally. This antibiotic is taken orally, and it is a first broad spectrum semi-synthetic penicillin. It's not narrow spectrum, it is broad spectrum semi-synthetic penicillin. Then third one is carbapenicillin. This carbapenicillin is active against gram-negative bacteria like Pseudomonas and Proteus, and as stable, ineffective orally as not well absorbed by small intestine, beta lactamase. These are the properties. Oxacillin. This is active against gram-negative bacteria like Pseudomonas and Proteus, as stable, beta lactamase, and resistance penicillin. Ticarcillin. This is similar to carbapenicillin, but more active against Pseudomonas. These are the properties of penicillin. Then therapeutic use. Penicillins are used in the treatment of throat infections, meningitis, syphilis, and various other infections. The chief side effects of penicillin are hypersensitivity reactions, including skin rash, hives, swelling, and anaphylaxis or allergic shock. The more serious reactions are uncommon. Milder symptoms may be treated with corticosteroid, but usually are prevented by switching the alternative antibiotics. Anaphylactic shock, which can occur in previously sensitized individuals within second or minute, may require immediate administration of epinephrine. Thanks.